Welcome to Beyond the Arches. My name is Brandon Medina, and today we are here at Palo Alto College and STEM High School to learn a little bit about women in manufacturing with a special panel for students. All right, we are here with Ms. Mona, the CEO of Helmy Plastic Manufacturing. Talk to me about the important opportunities students are about to have with this panel of women leading manufacturing.
So this is very exciting because manufacturing is still one of the sectors that doesn't have enough women. It's very important to attend these events and speak to future leaders and get them in manufacturing. Manufacturing is amazing if you love innovations. If you love innovations, if you love new ideas, new technology, it is the sector that you want to be in.
We're here with sophomore Elijah. Talk to me about this opportunity. Manufacturing, you have some CEOs here, you have some big executives here. Talk to me about this opportunity, you get to pick their brain about manufacturing.
I mean, it's a great opportunity that the school gives us. It's really great that we're able to come to school and just be surprised by all these great experiences that we're able to do with all my friends here and fellow classmates. I know they're excited as well to be here and to see all these great, higher, I guess you could say, upper important people here today. Yes.
Why is manufacturing interesting to you?
Manufacturing is interesting to me because of my main priority that I like most is mechanical engineering.
Okay.
So this kind of ties in with how I want to achieve my career with manufacturing and robotics, of course, which manufacturing ties in very well with that.
We are here at sophomore Haley Gonzalez at STEM High School. Haley, women in manufacturing, important panel. As a woman, why is it important for you?
I think it's very important to show leadership and stuff, and I love this because they get to show us their experience and stuff, and I'm very interested in engineering. I just want to hear their experience, how they got this opportunity, and learn from their mistakes and stuff.
Sure. All right, we are here with sophomore Jasmine Wells. Jasmine, talk to me about this panel. Why is it important for you to be learning from other women in manufacturing?
It's important because I know a lot of women want to be CEOs and electrical logistics and things like that. So I think this is really important to see how they can do that and what they can expect.
And so looking at how these executives are making time for you as a student, what does that mean for you? How important is that for you?
It's really important because I know that I want to be in charge of things because I making sure everybody's okay, leading and things like that. So I feel they will really help me with that.
That's going to do it for this episode of Beyond the Arches, focusing on the Women in Manufacturing panel here at STEM High School on the Palo Alto campus. Thank you for joining us. And as always, we are Southwest.
Join us at STEM High School, where the future in STEM starts today.